Letter of the week, letter of the week, letter of the week. We know our letter of the week. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Letter of the week, letter of the week, letter of the week, letter of the week. We know our letter of the week.
Well, hello there, boys and girls. Welcome back to another Letter of the Week adventure. This week's letter starts words like car, cat, and crocodile. Do you know what the letter of the week is? Can I get a drum roll, please? If you guessed the letter C, you were right. The letter C makes one sound. Say it with me. Great job. Now it's time to write the letter C. You go grab a piece of paper, a pencil, or a crayon, and I'll set the timer for 10 seconds, and I'll wait for you. Ready, set, go!
Do you have your paper, pencil, or crayon? I think they're ready. Start at the tippy top. Draw one half circle all the way around. Keep going. And stop. Now for the lowercase c. Start in the middle and draw one half circle all the way around and stop. Great job. When you see the three pictures, your job will be to say the picture that starts with the letter C. Don't forget, the letter C makes the k, k, k sound. Say it with me. Great job.
Ready, set, go! Cake. Cup. Cookies. Crayon. Corn. I won the game. I won the game. I won the game.
Here we go again, Ernie. You didn't win the game. They did.
Congratulations. Let's do another one next time.
Wow! Wasn't that so much fun? Don't forget to come back next week and join me for our next learning adventure. Until then, I'll see you later, my smart little alligator.